Solar Insure acts like a safety net for homeowners. If the manufacturer installer are no longer around, or even if they're not responsive, the homeowner can give Solar Insure a call and we can get that resolved.
Over the last few years, we've seen solar up and down. We've seen a lot of installers go out of business. We see a lot of orphan systems, what we call orphan systems, homeowners whose installers out of business, and they don't know where to turn to. And my team and Solar Insure are there to help them. The majority of the manufacturer's warranty are limited in scope and in time, meaning that some manufacturer's warranties go for 10 years, 12 years, whereas our warranty is for 30 years.
It covers all of the main components. We cover the panels, we cover inverters, microinverters, optimizers, and so if anything goes down, we will be there to help them navigate through finding a service provider, doing the contact for them.
And this includes a battery replacement, which is unheard of in our industry.
And so it goes beyond the limit of most manufacturers' warranties. Most manufacturers' warranties also only cover the replacement of the part. They don't cover the labor involved in diagnosing the system, seeing what the issue is, replacing that part. They just cover the part itself. So those are costs that are coming out of your pocket. The manufacturers are not going to assume those costs. With Solar Insure, we are the ones that assume that cost, and we will pay for that diagnosis, for that replacement part, for the labor involved to replace the panel or the inverter or the optimizer or whatever it may be.
We're here to make sure that we're going to approve that claim, pay it out, make sure the service is taken care of, so the homeowner has that peace of mind long-term for decades to come.
We get a lot of homeowners that don't understand the basics of solar, and we try to educate them. We also walk them through basic troubleshooting processes, how to turn their breakers on and off, how to turn their system on and off, how to communicate with the manufacturer if it's needed.
We have a service team that is there, able to help the homeowner navigate through whatever issues they may be having from their system. And our service providers are vetted, so they really are in good hands when they have our warranty.
And homeowners never have to submit a claim with Solar Insure. It's actually the service provider that is going to be doing all the work in the background. We take all that red tape out and make sure that it's taken care of all on the back end.
We have a wider range of really good people who really want to help the homeowners out. They really want to provide that 5-star service to our homeowners.
Solar ownership should feel simple, protected, and long-term. Solar Insure gives you the peace of mind that you deserve.